Now this is question number 60, TS6, paper 1. Now again it's a question based on assertion and reason. So let's see the statement 2 first. Statement 2 says that angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Right, angle of incidence, if there is a incident ray striking a mirror and it is reflected, then this angle of incidence, say I, will be same as angle of reflection R, and this is correct, this is true. So statement 2 is true. Now we'll analyze statement 1 and we'll try to try to see whether statement 2 can be used to prove statement 1, or using statement 2, that is angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection, we can prove statement 1. If there is a use of statement 2 in proving statement 1, then answer is A, otherwise answer is B, or statement 1 is false, then answer is even not B. So let's see what is statement 2. Statement 2 talks about the angle equation of reflected ray. Equation of reflected ray is given and we have to check whether it is correct or wrong. Now to find equation of this reflected ray, so what is involved is, like, this reflected ray is touching this circle whose equation is x square plus y square equals to, I think, 1. Now reflected ray is passing through this point where incident ray strikes this mirror. So if let's assume the equation of reflected ray, let's assume the slope Bm. So equation of reflected ray can be written in using slope point form like this: y minus y1 equals to slope m into x minus x1. So this is the equation of the reflected ray. Now we need to find m, and to find m we apply condition of tangency, because it is given in the question that reflected ray touches this circle. Or we can use this result: y equal to mx plus c. Condition of tangency is y equal to mx plus c is tangent to circle x square plus y square equal to a square, provided c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Line y equal to mx plus c touches this circle if this condition is true. Now we'll apply this condition to find the value of m. C square, in this is the equation of reflected ray. C is this, so we replace value of c here, equal to radius square. Radius is 1, so 1 square equals to 1 plus m square. We get quadratic in m. On solving this quadratic, we get two values of m equal to 0 and m equal to 3 by 4. So m equal to 0 cannot be the answer, because reflected ray cannot be mirror. So we take m equal to 3 by 4, and on replacing m equal to 3 by 4, the equation of reflected ray is this, and which is correct. So statement 2 is correct, statement 1 is correct. Now we need to decide between choice A and choice B. Now if you see information that angle of incidence equals to angle of reflection, does this information useful in finding equation of reflected ray, or using this information can we find equation of reflected ray? So see, nothing is given about the incident ray, right? Nothing is given about this reflected ray is independent of incident ray. There's nowhere we have used this angle. We have used the point of incidence, we have used this point, but angle of incidence equals to angle of reflection we have not used, and there is no use of it, because we are not going from this side to this side, right? So statement 2 is not the correct reason for finding the equation of the reflected ray and showing it equal to the value given. So correct answer should be B answer. Correct answer is B answer.